Hi, good afternoon. It is here. This is a view from my room where I'm at rehab facility for getting care for my broken leg and other body parts that need help. And first, here's a view from the, so you can look over and I'll show you. Change this to see outside. The very outside window is very beautiful. It's a courtyard, and here's where Ward sleeps at night. And Daniel will take care of me day and night, plus a lot of other helpers. And here's a little workstation for Daniel. And if he turns around, we'll see if he's really in there. And you'll see that he has a shirt on that says, "This offer expires when you do." And then the back, what is this offer? Forgiveness and redemption. And it says, "Act now." That means that's a decision, very important, that no one should put off. So even though today the sun's shining, it's beautiful outside, and here's a view of my leg, the one that's broken, and the one that's not broken but recovering. And we'll keep the view here on outside. What about you? If this offer of redemption and forgiveness only lasts as long as you live, are you ready to meet God? Well, I'm ready. I'm not sure if I'll go home from here or not, but if I don't go home from here, and when I expire, that means you die, means I will go to heaven to live forever with God. Why? Because I have trusted that Jesus, perfect life, and his as the Son of God, always obeying the will of God the Father, he lived a perfect life, and he never one time sinned. Then he died on the cross, and it was God's wrath that was put on Jesus instead of me. Wrath means his anger against sin, because I'm a sinner. But when I trusted Christ, God said, "I will count for your record what Jesus did, live a perfect life." So Jesus died in my place. So I hope one day to be back home and maybe up out of this bed. But I want you all to just continue praying for me and be really thankful for how God is working in our family to teach us many new things. We trust that many of you will, if you end up in a place like this, will have the peace that we have, even though there are times when it's difficult, but we rejoice that we have God in us, God the Spirit in us, and God is watching over us. May the Lord bless you.